Well, about 6:30, residents were inside this house and heard a loud sound, and a large tree, basically just because of the wind, most likely just fell over into their house. Got
Okay.
some branches inside their garage and some damage to the roof, and took out a power pole. Well, power's just out to the house. The tree essentially stretched the utilities to the house, and SDG&E here secured all that. No injuries, just some damage, and we're working with Public Works and contractors to get the tree out. My expectation with Public Works, we'll have this tree out of here this morning and be able to assess the house. It looks like the damage is over the garage. And without getting the tree off, it's really hard to assess what the significance of the damage is.